Guys, did you hear the wind? Yeah, I heard the wind. Yeah, I heard it, dude. Well, you guys, did you know that the wind can blow stuff like leaves or snow or in the wind in the sun or stuff like that? Piggy, Piggy, I think you just made it up. I didn't make it up, Yes, you did, Piggy. You just made it up. I didn't make it up. Yes, you did. Yeah, I think he has a point, dude. Well, you guys, I just heard the wind again. You heard the wind again? Oh yeah, I did hear the wind. I heard it too, dude. I don't, I don't like the wind, you guys. Me neither. I don't like the wind either, dude. Well, what if the wind blows us? Can I open the window? No, Piggy. No, dude. Can we open the window, dude? Yeah, Bum, can we open the window? No. Well, why? Because if you do open the window, the wind might blow you and take you somewhere. You're weird, Bum. Yeah, you're weird, dude. Guys, no. Why? Did you not hear what I just said? No. We didn't hear what you said. We're gonna open the window. Guys, no. Whoa! Oh no, dude. Oh no, dude. See, you guys, I told you. Quiet, Bomb. Quiet, dude. Oh! No.